Hello, my name is Andrew Cunningham, and I'm going to be doing my career presentation for Engl3040 at Clemson University, and I'm going to be doing it on my career report, which is exploring a degree in computer science. So, a little introduction. Over the last decade, technology has rapidly advanced, and with that, computers and computer science has been forced to rapidly advance as well. This may be a little obvious, but computer science and technology is kind of goes hand in hand, and as technology continues to advance, computer science is going to be an important part or playing an important role in that advancement. And then in today's world, computer science actually has one of the highest average paid salaries out of all other degrees. And although it is a fairly hard degree, it's going to help you and give you a lot of options once you actually go into the professional field. You'll have a lot of different options for jobs. So for preparation for a career in computer science, you're going to need at least 4 years of schooling, or at least the amount of classes for a 4-year degree. In my experience and what I've gathered through my research, there's a lot of coding. You need a lot of coding experience. It's a little tough, but once you get your hands wet, you get used to it, and you definitely need some experience with coding. And then at least one internship I've found to be substantial. That'll help you get a job. Employers like to see that you have some experience in the industry. So at least one internship. So employment patterns. This is a good and common entry level for a computer scientist would be in the Q&A department of a company. This actually, in my opinion, is a pretty good spot to start out at an entry level computer scientist, because you get to learn company standards. Some companies format their code in a certain way. You get to review code. You get to get used to industry standard code. So it's a good starting point, and it pays pretty well for an entry-level position. And right now, computer scientists are in high demand, considering that technology is improving and advancing every single day. So, like I said earlier, we kind of go hand in hand with technology, and being able to have technology do what we want it to do. We're going to need computer scientists to help in that advancement of technology. So here are some just jobs that anyone could get with a degree in computer science. These are all different kinds of jobs, not just one type of job. So there's a software developer, there's a database administrator, a computer hardware engineer. Now for a computer hardware engineer, that's a little bit of computer science and computer engineering, which actually very interests me. I would one day like to get into that. Then we have computer systems analyst, computer network architect, web developer, information security analyst, all very different kinds of jobs, but you can get all of these with a computer science degree. Now, some ethical dilemmas that are facing computer scientists in the field, just like any other, there's a lot. So just a few would be malicious code, or basically it's just hackers writing code that is written to do harm to a software or a person. So you want to make sure your code is doing what you want it to do, and hopefully not hurting anyone. Then we have user privacy and data gathering. How do we manage large databases, and how private is applications? Are they actually private? Or so there's a lot of ethical dilemmas facing computer scientists currently. So now, in conclusion, computer science is a very promising field if you're thinking about taking up a degree in computer science. I would definitely recommend it. There's a lot of preparation that goes into it. It's going to be kind of difficult, but it'll pay off in the end. The jobs are relatively high paying compared to other degrees, and currently there's a lot of jobs out there for us. So that is going to wrap up my career presentation. Hopefully you enjoyed, and take care.